guys for staying and supporting this event. Welcome to Albarsha Community Forum. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul once again. Ayub, that's your third personal foul, Ayub. Third team foul. Fourth team foul, sorry. First free throw, number 18. No,
Isa lang daw!
second attempt, basket for number 18. Our score, 20 all. Number 10 to number 10, Dakis. Traveling violation. Team sell the DOS ball. Team sell the DOS, number 10. Number 10. Number 10 to number 11. Back to number 10. Number 10. Good defense, number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Number 11! 2 points! Foul number 10, Dakis. That's your second personal foul penalty. Guys, once again, your water bottles, please throw to the trash bin. Offensive rebound by Ayub. Nice putback, Ayub. 2 points for Ayub. Number 18 again. There's a steal to Dakis. 2 points for Dakis. With a step back, number 10, too strong. Rebound by number 10 of Team Luxury Supercars. To number 10, Dakis. To Ayub. Ayub with a 2.
Nasa ano? Sa Facebook ba?
2 points for Ayub.
Isan mo yung...
Number 11, Nerbaez. Too strong. Rebound by Ayub. Ayub again. Ayub for 3. Bang! 3 points for Ayub. Our score 29-22 in favor of Team Luxury Cars. Ayub again with the rebound. Give it back to Ayub. Now number 10 all the way. No good. No more time. End of our first